Actually, Mr. Sapal, he's my brother's friend, and he called me like, oh, we have this much land, if you guys are interested, and we are looking for the house as well. But that time, because of the money, because of during COVID time, we didn't have money. And I explained to him, this is my scenario, I'm looking for it. If I get a good one, yes, I will go for it.
And he gave the discount as well.
So the support is the reason, like we come to know the reason house. My intervention with Sandy is very good.
Very good, yeah. Very
With
kind.
support as well, because they both are there and they show us like their display house, which I really loved it. That's the reason I bought the land.
And it was since we met the first time with him like a family as well. Yeah, it's good.
It's friendly.
Yeah. No, he always answers. He always answers.
Communication wise, number one.
Yeah.
He's always answered my phone. He always
The position as well.
yes. Because for this is our new house,
Yeah.
so we don't know exactly what we are looking for. We just saw the display house, which is really good, and we want similar that one. We are very happy.
Yeah, me happy.
I already told to my few friends.
Yes.
Yes.